Hello, this is Reverend Dr. Anthusa Helena, owner, founder, developer of Sollite Integrative Medicine. For more details about private sessions or training programs, log on to www.sollite.com. That's SOLLITE.com. Thank you for joining us today for this talk about stress. Now, the founder of the stress response model was in the 1950s, Dr. Hans Selye, who was an endocrinologist and a researcher, as well as a scientific developer. And he noticed the mechanism within the human brain that actually causes the illusion of separation, meaning you and the other. So, this is based on his work and also implemented with more medical and scientific research that I've put together in longer written form. If you are interested in receiving this detailed lecture, then please comment on the social media venue below, and I will make sure that it gets delivered to you. Thank you for joining us today for Beyond Stress in Neutral Mind. According to the World Health Association, stress is the health epidemic of the 21st century. That's the WHO, World Health Organization. Stress activates the involuntary survival mechanism in the nervous system that signals a threat response of safety versus danger. This is communicated from the brain throughout all parts of your body via the neurological system of the vagus nerve. Two aspects of the autonomic nervous system. One, sympathetic, which is known commonly as the fight, flight, or freeze response, which actually is the action or engagement phase of the nervous system. Secondly, the parasympathetic, which is the rest and restore phase, which slows us down to relax, rejuvenate, and restore. You can get stuck in one of these phases, either high levels of overreaction in the sympathetic or extreme shutdown in the parasympathetic portions of the nervous system. Chronic overactive doing never gives any time for us to restore and feel rested. Our normal baseline deregulates, resulting in reactions that are disproportionate to the situation that life is presenting. If this imbalance remains chronically high for too long of period, it becomes post-traumatic stress disorder. To restore the body, mind, and spirit connection and experience optimal health, balancing between the action and the rest phases is necessary. Learning to move between the two with deliberate conscious awareness helps reset and self regulate the nervous system response. It helps us become masters of our own energy and sets the stage for a new healing paradigm that supports conscious awakening. When this occurs, the barriers of the mind from constrictions of pre programmed past memories, injuries, stored traumatic events, and energy blockages start to break down. This develops a true knowing connection with the intelligence of our body's inner wisdom and its self healing abilities. This process effectively rewires the brain through positive psychology and opens a doorway to liberation, freedom, and creativity. As we learn to relax in the face of resistance, we start living from a place of neutral mind, which is beyond the paradox of duality and separation. Dr. Hans Selye, researcher, developer of the stress response model, concluded restoration is possible through these methods: prayer, meditation, contemplation, yoga, and adjustment to the cranial bones. As we respond rather than react to life's circumstances, we start to feel safe in our own skin and the world around us. So I want to just take a moment to thank you very much for joining us today for this brief video on Beyond Stress in Neutral Mind. And reminder, if you would like a longer researched medical and scientific commentary in the written word, then please comment below in this social media venue, and I will make sure that it gets to you in speedy time. For more information, again, about holistic psychotherapy, private sessions of integrative medicine, and for training programs that are offered by Sollite, log on to www.sollite, that's SOLLITE.com. I look forward to getting to know you, speaking with you, and just exploring self discovery, healing, and conscious awakening for those that are very interested in this integrative medicine techniques and modalities, covering all levels of the physical, mental, emotional, energetic, soul level, and spiritual level of the parts of our being. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, well, and remain happy. Thank you very much.